Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Notesaid 24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for talking to a doctor. We will practice talking to a doctor actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50+ sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome, and let's start learning English and enjoy it. I feel sick today. I feel sick today. I go to the doctor. I go to the doctor. I sit in the waiting room. I sit in the waiting room. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. The nurse calls my name. The nurse calls my name. I walk into the room. I walk into the room. The doctor greets me. The doctor greets me. The doctor smiles at me. The doctor smiles at me. I say hello to the doctor. I say hello to the doctor. The doctor asks my problem. The doctor asks my problem. I say I have a fever. I say I have a fever. I feel very tired. I feel very tired. My head hurts. My head hurts. I have a cough. I have a cough. The doctor listens to me. The doctor listens to me. The doctor checks my temperature. The doctor checks my temperature. The doctor uses a thermometer. The doctor uses a thermometer. The doctor checks my throat. The doctor checks my throat. I open my mouth. I open my mouth. The doctor checks my chest. The doctor checks my chest. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. The doctor asks more questions. The doctor asks more questions. I answer the questions. I answer the questions. The doctor writes notes. The doctor writes notes. The doctor tells me the problem. The doctor tells me the problem. I have a cold. I have a cold. The doctor gives advice. The doctor gives advice. I need to rest. I need to rest. I need to drink water. I need to drink water. The doctor gives me medicine. The doctor gives me medicine. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I ask a question. I ask a question. The doctor answers me. The doctor answers me. I feel better now. I feel better now. The doctor smiles again. The doctor smiles again. I say thank you. I say thank you. The doctor says, take care. The doctor says, take care. I leave the room. I leave the room. I go to the pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy. I give the paper. I give the paper. I get my medicine. I get my medicine. I go back home. I go back home. I take the medicine. I take the medicine. I drink warm water. I drink warm water. I lie in bed. I lie in bed. I take a rest. I take a rest. I follow the doctor's advice. I follow the doctor's advice. I feel a little better. I feel a little better. I sleep well at night. I sleep well at night. I feel good the next day. I feel good the next day. Great job today! You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid 24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.